Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I was recently sent a fanny pack by a new company called Acromoda. They're a startup company that just started, and they got a Kickstarter program going right now. And they sent me one of their CurdSask for me to check out and review and share with you guys. Now, Acromoda, like I said, they're a brand new company, and they were founded by two AT through hikers. And once they got off the trail, like many people do, they want to continue to be part of the hiking community that they love. And so to keep in it, they wanted to start this company, and this is one of their first products they're putting out. Right now, they do have a Kickstarter program going just for a few more days. I think at the time of shooting this video, they had about 5 days left in their Kickstarter program. So I'll include the links and description of all that down in the description of the video. So make sure you go check them out. Okay, so let's look at some of the features and details of the CurdSask. To start off with, it's made out of a 200D Eco Pack material that makes it waterproof and also very durable. The main compartment is closed with a waterproof zipper, and it has a very nice zipper pull on it. All right, the CurdSask kit was also made to be very modular, and part of what makes it modular is this water bottle holder that comes with it. Now this will easily hold a 1 liter smart water bottle, and it has a quick clip attachment here to attach it to the pack itself, and it also has a little loop that goes to the belt on here to keep it in place. Now you can remove it and put it on this side, or if you wanted to have up to a 2 liter capacity for your water, you could get a second one, and it would give you a 2 liter capacity of water for your hike. Okay. Part of keeping it modular is also having a removable hip belt, so you can wear it as a standard fanny pack with the included hip belt on here, or it's also easily removable. It just slides through here, and you could wear this directly clipped into the hip belt of your backpack, or even the sternum strap on your backpack. It allows you to be modular, and if you're doing that, you'd probably want to take the water bottle holder off. Another cool feature about this is on the bottom, there's these 2 bungee cords that are on here with a quick connect clip. This pops off there, and this will allow you to store additional items strapped to the bottom of the fanny pack itself. You could do a raincoat, umbrella. I had a couple ideas. I'll share those with you later in the video. Okay, finally on the outside of the pack, on the back panel, there's this cushiony mesh kind of stretch material here. It's very soft. It sits up against your body. And there's also a large pocket on the back for items that you would need quick access to, like a cell phone or a camera, or your on-the-go snacks. All right, that kind of sums up the features of the outside, except for one that I'm saving for later we'll talk about. And so let's take a look at the inside. Again, you have the heavy-duty waterproof zipper. And then on the inside, you have your large main compartment down here. And then in the back, you have the 2 small mesh pockets in here that could be used to help organize your gear. If you have small items like a little pocket knife or chapstick or sunscreen or your wallet, keys or whatever, you can put them down in these little mesh pockets to help keep organized. And there's also a key lanyard in here. This is kind of a must for me for a fanny pack or a day pack, a place that I can clip my keys so I always know where they are. I know they're not going to fall out when I'm going down the trail. Okay, finally, let's talk about one of the features that really stands out on this pack, and you guys have probably noticed this already, and that's the custom print on the front of this pack. They are doing custom print, and I believe Josh, one of the founders, has developed a website. I think it still may be in the process, but it will be where you can select a topo map of your choosing to have custom printed on the front of your pack. I believe this is Katahdin, but if you have a place that's special to you, say some of my Pinhoti Mafia friends, you could do Flag Mountain. You could get the topo for Flag Mountain put on here, or Chiha Mountain, or whatever place is special to you. You can do the custom print with a topo, and I thought that was a very neat feature. I love topo maps altogether, and to be able to have it custom printed, the area of your choosing, to me that's just super cool. All right guys, so one of the things we mentioned about this pack were the two little quick connect bungee straps on the bottom of the pack for carrying additional items. On the Acromoda webpage, they show putting it like a puffy coat or a rain jacket in here. So I just wanted to test that out and see how it would work. So let's say you're going on your day hike, and you're not sure how the weather's going to be. You want to carry a raincoat, but you don't want to wear it to start with. And you got your camera equipment, all your snacks and everything on the inside, your water bottle out here, and you don't want to tie a raincoat around your waist. So let's give it a shot and see how this works. So, do those. All right. So I'm kind of a heavier set guy, so I have an extra large Montbell rain jacket here, and in the pocket, I always keep my Enlightened Equipment rain kilt. So that's in there too. So I have top and bottom of my complete rain kit. All right. We're not going to try super hard to keep super neat on this. We're just going to do a quick down and dirty test. And just kind of ball it up. Drop it on here. Once you clip the strap, give it a little tug, snug it down. All right, the other side. Oops. All right. So that's on there really good. That's not going anywhere. Give it a shake test. So that's a complete rain jacket, rain kilt attached to the bottom of the pack. All right, so let's say you're heading out in the morning. It's a cold, chilly morning. So you got your puffy coat on, but it's going to warm up during the day. Again, with a jacket, if you don't have, this is the only thing you have with you. You know, the pack, you know, the only option you have is just tie it around your waist or open the zipper and get hot. So let's test if I can get a puffy coat on here. All right, so this is just a Patagonia, I think it's the Nano Fleece, Micro Fleece, I can't remember, it's the REI garage sale special. I can't afford full price Patagonia, but again, this is an extra large size, so I'm just gonna give it kind of give it a fold in half. All right, and let's see if we can strap it down. Again, I'm going for quick and dirty instead of really taking my time with it. All right, it's just to kind of see how it'll do. All right, yeah, it's not pretty, but passes the shake test. You know, like I said, if you took your time and kind of packed it up neater, it might probably look a little better, but if it feels loose, you can grab the tail of the strap here. Of course, this one's not loose at all. Oop, there it is. Give it a little cinch. This side's smaller, give it a cinch. Okay. And not going anywhere. All right, so I was also trying to think, other than a raincoat or a puffy coat, what's something else you might like to have that's an additional something that you couldn't carry with just with a normal fanny pack. And one of my new pieces of gear that I got this year at the beginning of the year, yeah, still this year, and it's a piece I love. I carry it everywhere now. That's the BTR, Better Than a Rock, folding camp chair. And this has gone on every hike with me since I got it. Absolutely love this thing. So let's see. It's smaller than the Puffy here. There we go. You absolutely carry your BTR stool with you. Shake test. All right. This would be great if you had like a bunch of snacks and a lunch, you were going out, nice good long day hike. You wanted to stop somewhere along the way, sit and rest for a minute, eat your lunch. BTR right there. All right, I got one other thing we'll try. Loosen the straps up for it. All right. So if you're out, you may want to lay down somewhere and take a little nap. Got the Gossamer Gear 1/8 inch foam pad. Let's see if it'll fit in there. Give it a little roll. This is a bit larger than the other two pieces. Let's see. See if it will fit. There it is. I have to get used to these clips. They feel backwards to me, but I don't have my glasses on. But yeah, look. There we are. Very secure. You can actually spread the straps out if you wanted to. There we are. That's absolutely something that you couldn't fit in any other fanny pack out there. So that's just a few of my ideas for how to use these little clips on the bottom of here. Again, very cool feature. All right, guys. So there we have it. It's the CurdSask by Acromoda. Go check them out. They do have a Kickstarter that's in place right now. It's going to end soon. But if you go check them out, I think at the day I shot this video, and I'm hoping to get it out the same day, there was 5 days left in their Kickstarter. I'll include all the links to that in the description of the video. But yeah, overall, build quality is very nice. All the stitching is very nice. I'll put the weight down here because it's kind of modular. I'll put the weight, the overall kit, the fanny pack by itself, and the water bottle holder by itself. Give you some ideas on the weight. But yeah, very cool piece. Gotta go check them out. We'll talk to you guys soon.